And here I have from WORKPRO a SDS compatible concrete bit set right here. Here's the 1/4 inch that I'm going to be using. Comes in 5/16, 3/16, 9/32, 1/4 for longer. Actually, I'm going to probably use this longer one just in case. And then 5/16, 3/8, and a half. I'm going to be using those with these concrete bolts right here. We are drilling right into concrete here. We're going to mount another plate holder for this weight bench right into concrete. But these are great bits, very sharp, very well made. Let's check out how they go in. So very easy to install in your hammer drill. I'm going to pull this down, push it in, twist, and there we go. We are ready to go. All right, got my spots marked, and we're ready to drill. Woo, like butter. Piece of cake. So this bit kit is going to be awesome. Cuts like butter, that is for sure, especially when you're using it in a hammer drill. But I can highly recommend for sure pick up one of these sets.